Ebusa Kevin Ekobedu Taylor Abetro challenge. Ama Masawudu NPP third vice chairman. Ama Masawudu as a challenge accepted. We accept the challenge now. Hey, Kevin Taylor, you don't know crowd. And yes, great. Ama Twene Jonas. So I'll be accept the challenge if you Kevin Taylor a true. Now if comedian as well. Kevin Taylor the classmate back also. I can't simbi. Me want to remove. Watch the wagon. Ama me. Ewa comment section. I Penyah block media. Mess was a need you. Obey like if you do not have a subscribe button, subscribe click the notification icon of latest updates. Subscribe to the wagon. Their mama. Ewa comment section. Best raso obaso. No one shave for so any be ashe. Do media next one. Never quite say or Jimmy Woody. So when the media you want to see no biya. Just because say oba YouTube live wa. Eya with me so 10,000 constant views. Anytime I came about YouTube live biya about 10K constant. And because of that, today, who say yes, we any person will be on media. You made why internet messiah. I may be called for the internet. Jesus, say, Ojin Hoodie, as a man, Onim Sinobia, or as our Ghana. Now, can you make an answer me now? Obekan and say more NPP third vice chairman, Honorable Buga, and I said, Chairman Masawudu. Now, on they call back and forth. Beef will be now a piper or moving. Emma came to the throw shot at Masawudu. Now, Masawudu so Abe Truby at Kevin Taylor. Now, before then, no, I was Kevin trading card into coming over from Twene Jonas. Emma, or kakra, but Twene be born the heat to be. Emma came to us, oh, and so much they can there. Oh, Twene Bema, on your Bema, now, obi a Bema, obi a Bema. Or more, no need dinner, the show, so I'll find a picture of Twene Chain, and that's on the old money day, the show, so near her Bema Krum.
The one in a wow, America, any blogger. Me, I don't lie about my stuff. Because we have suffered to get to this point. Into me, the one in it too. When my Kobusa Kennedy Japan, but the one in it too. I will not spare anybody. Unya was no can any creative be mammy. Now so bomb dia. I always like to see slaves eat. So with all due respect, and I'm doing it nice today. I am doing it nice. This goes to Ghanaians. I'm going to get legitimate to America. I'm going to blogging. Stay in your corner.
Man, say more kind we no. Twene, I be accept challenge. Hey, from time to time, Twene di Kevin Taylor, tema Kevin Taylor to more hoa.
Obisu, who are you talking about? Make me I kwasiana and afuno said ye who to a friend Kevin Taylor, Jimmy. Wasi ampanyi ni junkie man opo bi ni na Jimmy as Twene Jonas na kwasia akatachie Jimmy for na ade no no omumu ome attack because mumie nam di matembo ma ade no no mfa ni Jimmy mekasa onkwan wa Jimmy onkwan na ye o junkie man ana Ghana for ni yodium na wu se se medwene hu se da bi Twene Jonas ye almighty because me lose match Jimmy en na me send threat ya nko obi ani wa obeden oba be ha me na won so kan obi asema o enko ba bia ba o bo Twene Jonas din ko adani news eno kura wa momedin o send akuti anim ni wura enti adani news o Ghana wa momedin o enti na asema ekosuru ama no no enti onim na ode ne kwase abebobọ medin dia obet trend no trending so a jomama ne yere no mienu no omo no maso be hye lordin na ne device no jomama ne mplan ne yere omo mienu nya be aso be hye. Meanwhile, I kwasi ampanyi we abo Kevin Taylor aboa no de kwasi na edi ntrum no ane no fo abobọ no Jimmy fo no te oba kitchen no Kevin Taylor aboa no kwasi we ya bie TV ama no ujo mama kwasi we de esika bie TV ama no ama otisu di nkofo atema no patu anwumre jo mama kwasi we yo edi Kevin Taylor to peuru eto aduane ma one ne yere ne madi bisi Kevin Taylor say obe make sure say they will deport yeah asem me kura ke munga yes o make sure say obe free slavery life no aba abede ne ho te se de me de me ho na anya oba ena kire me de me nye je safwa na ko gosko koye shopping bra oba be ohurungukuom na afi no beberen ko dware nkura no na bo mo pampers san kwase ya life no eye oba adwuma nye be ma adwuma enti se ono adane oba wo obi krom no o make sure say obe review obe remove ne ho from sa life no no mu ma de no
Say that they be try that you Because say they be a Twene Jonas SSC Kevin Tira so far Kevin Tira upon the member same minute won't me reply to Jonas and they make everyone. I don't get it. Everyone like other debut, me mentiasie. Meaning say that they be try that but never did the woman to know Kevin Tira so Twene Jonas. Never say what. Never part went to know. Kevin Tira so say or better reply Twene Jonas. Hey. When you say one person want attention, master munya nkwa say can when you attention say suro na wumi suro. What does it? Suro because akura keto akura tena body tena Ghana ha boka even tire dey on reply. TikTokers kura na say o man no head down kwa chiri kese kura no. O mu body didi na temu a obe reply o na Twene Jonas o kasa e kwa chiri. We di upana temu e di upana to but upana suro. Challenge Kevin tire tro ma Twene Jonas no. E bia no be tro ma Masawudi. Obekai. Kevin try better the show so last silence TV so. And Obeka no so say Masawudu etimi etwere myself. Na ono ankasa etimi enredi a ono Kevin Taylor obegu ni production team no.
Wallahi. So what to be TV so throw myself and make Jamie Juma deal with. What to be throw I kind myself I'll end my production. Whoa. What Masawudu? So what to be TV so a pen and paper I throw myself money see. Na kind you know TV so make Jamie show we make Jaye.
Sounds more kind we just say Masawudu na mwasa no. Enye myself on kwa ke no betimi atwira sa kan yo. Ebusia oni me bide bro sa ye go tie ni mara.
Went to the English language, but you want to become the first vice chair, I mean a national officer of the party, and you need to be engaging people in the English language and all of that. Does that deter you from even going for that position?
Look, English, nobody is perfect in English. I don't understand why people are saying that English, you can speak.
I'm
English.
sure you've heard that.
No, I heard that.
So
you
many
know,
times.
if you are speaking, if you look at people will be outside, those who are commenting outside, maybe in a TikTok, in a distance, those people who are saying that maybe, Alaji, your English, when the person, when you ask the person to speak English, I don't think the person can even speak proper English. Look, being an interview like this, it is not easy thing to call someone to be on set like this, the entire nation, asking him questions, speaking, giving you answers. Look, I did DEFCON, I did development communication, masters in development communication at GIJ.
You don't say, Alaji.
I'm telling you, I have 2 masters.
Interesting.
I have masters in agribusiness. I did education as a first degree. I did education in social studies. I'm a teacher. I teach for 4 years. I teach Techima Senior High School.
What subject, if I may know?
I teach agric,
Okay.
the production of crops, the rearing of animals, the science and the scale of cultivating the soil to produce crops, and the rearing of livestock and other farm animals. You see, look, people don't know the person you are. Look, it is not a matter of speaking flowing in English. We've seen people that speak English, when it comes to writing, they got 0. They got 0. Every day I'm reminding NDC people that I did my master's. Joyce Bao Muntari was my mate. She was sitting at my back when I was in front.
At GIJ.
At GIJ.
Interesting. Which year? Which year is this?
Just it's 2019.
Oh.
You see, she was at my back and I was in front. Who wrote my English? Who wrote my exam for me? I'm a politician, and those my mates who are there, some of them are NDC. If I did something deviant, they will expose me. I am telling you, look, sometimes I even came early before the lecturer will come.
But did you complete your course? Did you graduate?
Look, ask
or you left the school for them?
I graduated, did everything, did my thesis, everything, I myself. You see, people don't know. People don't know. People don't know the kind of person you are. So, do you mean that to speak English, that's English? How many? You see, let me make these things clear to people. English is somebody language. Do you understand? English is somebody language, and speaking English doesn't guarantee you or doesn't make someone perfect than somebody. Today, what degree did Colonel Japan have? He's vying to become the president of Ghana. I have 3 degrees. I have first degree in education, in social studies. I have master's degree in agribusiness. I have master's degree in development communication. All these degrees qualify me to even become
the president
of Ghana. So why are you telling me that because of English I'm afraid? So are we speaking vernacular now? Is it vernacular that we are speaking with you? Is it not English? Don't you understand what I'm saying?
I do perfectly.
You see, so people forget about propaganda of people that this guy don't know how to speak English. English is somebody's language, and we all learn English, and everybody has the way English. It's the zeal of having the technical know-how. You see, I teach people who even speak English more than me, but practically and then scientific way. I have given them knowledge. You see, I teach about millions of students today. Some are big men. You see, I teach them which English that is. Is it Hausa that I use and teach them? Extension officers, about 90 extension officers, I train them how to even test soil. You see, I teach professors how to test even soil. You know, look, during our time, the former agric minister, he brought some machine, pH scale. It is a mathematical value that determines whether a soil is acidic, neutral, or alkaline. When they brought it to Bono, extension officers, they came and present their statements, big English. When it comes to a term to operate the machine and to test soil, all of them, they couldn't know even how the soil, the machine is operated. I operate the machine, test the soil, tell them how to test soil, go with them. We have some pottery for I teach them how the intensive keeping is there, extensive keeping is there, semi-intensive and semi-extensive. I teach them.
Are you still in that field? Beyond politics, what do you do?
Beyond politics, I'm a farmer.
Okay.
I'm a businessman.
Right.
I'm dealing in timber. I'm a timber contractor. I'm a farmer, and I'm a transporter. So that's my work.
You're a busy person. I
am
see
very busy person.
Wow.
So if people are talking about English, what English? English, that is the same English that we all learn. English is learning. That the English that I speak, that the English I learn, and I use that English to teach millions of students. And today they pass their exams. And this is the English that I used to study in GIJ and did my masters in GIJ. I am not some CEOs of NDC who have been accused of their academic credential. Their academic credential have been put into question. I've graduated absolutely graduation, absolutely 100% of graduation at GIJ. And my colleagues, as at now, my colleagues are hearing me. I wrote my exams.
Nobody did that for you.
All my colleagues are there. I wrote. I sit in class. Even our time, no this online. We write exams. Nobody write for me, and they mark it. Wow. Me, since I start schooling, I never had a refer. I never had a refer in my life. Even when I studied at Valley View University, Techima campus.
Wow.
I never had a refer. Look, wow. I am somebody who my chewing capacity work. Ooh. What I learned from primary.
You still remember?
From JHS, from SS. I still remember. I still remember what I write, what I read.
Interesting.
That's how my chewing capacity is. I'm telling you.
Do you remember this term? Osmosis, diffusion, and all that. What is osmosis?
Osmosis, when two solutions of different concentrated are separated by a semi-permeable membrane. The membrane allows water molecules of solvent to pass through the less concentrated solution to the high concentrated. The behavior of water molecules under given condition is known as osmosis.
Hey, Alaji.
You see, what I chew for diffusion, when two substances meet, especially two liquid or two gas, are brought to contact with each other, the particles spread gradually between them so that after some time a uniform mixture of the two substances is obtained. That is diffusions and this. Look,
Are you not mixing the terms and the
I'm not
words
mixing.
just to confuse?
I'm not mixing. I'm telling you. I did Greek science.
Interesting.
I did Greek science. You see, capillarity, the ability of liquid to rest up in tube. I did Greek science. Look,
Cross pollination.
all of them. You see, all of them. Look, what I learned from primary to SS, JSS is in my head. Look,
Wow.
I'm a technical man that have a technical know-how. But people, not English. Look, all my class boys, all those are taught. They like me. The way I present myself, the way I teach them, they understand much. Sometimes I teach them, and if a word that they don't understand, I bring it to their own local language and let them understand
And
what
explain
it is. Explain it to them. You see, so it is not the matter of English. It's the matter of the knowledge you have. And English, who even told you that I can speak English? Is it Dogomba that I'm speaking? I'm speaking English. I have told you, it's this English that I used to go to school and graduated in Valley View University. It's the same English that I spoke today. That is the same English that I used to go to GIG and did my master's and graduated. 100% graduation.
Now it is Unimac IG.
Unimac IG. Yes.
Alhaji Masaudu Osman, the third vice chairman of the MPP. I'm grateful you came tonight.
What does it? MPP third vice chairman. And a definition of diffusion and osmosis. Simple. Wow. Miss Papa Kevin, what is a noun? Hey! Mumuza Kevin, oh there, you go to school. Definition of F4. Hey, what is science? What is integrated science or what is science? Science is the F for pa. Science. Mumuza Kevin tell us what is a science. So wait. Now say Kevin tell you. I was an classmate. I be exposed no. O chire mu a Kevin tell bon fit eh. No no go school. Bon tefu. No no Kevin go school bon tefu. E bon fit eh bon. Wow, bon mo school ko wan time bi.
Unyo bia hwe send your wo for information won kan hu so obi so information wa no gbegbegbegbe I send your wako school bia ma school is one ko be bia school one JSS o ka wa name wo form 2 ama form 1 for eba beto we wo boase Kwenejima o ka wa name e wo ho na nke so we school 98 JSS na nke so we 98 aden na ko we 99 aden na we 99 ya do call presec me wo index na ma no bibia presec ko feli poto see ya no nyina we were not good from the onset obia on the negative side of the life growing up. But a map media where some man may pretty as if say you are an angel. Just a would you feel new. Don't paint yourself say what your way a concron. On your concron. On your concron. On your concron back on your concron back There may bufuna me person my video, but there may bufu cry on more mobile comment section like I say you come for me and you do this, you do that. Unyo bia. Kevin, you are nobody. So what by na so? Ghana honey yawo. Me say we index number. Name me we index number. Wayek index number. I have it. Wayek index number. Presec who fail 2002 you failed. Who fail poto. Any year do call Samu. Who papa do call Samu. Cape Coast. Samu. A honor if you do call also poto. Samu. The hustle poto.
What I say? Tira wa your mama e wo comment section. I Penyah Block Media.